Today, I'll make a simple yogurt cake with melted chocolate cheese. I start by preheating the oven. We'll need 4 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavor. Whisk well so the salt dissolves completely in the eggs. Pour in 1 cup of milk, about 200 milliliters. Then add half a cup of vegetable oil. Next, 1 cup of strawberry yogurt. Add 1 packet of baking powder, about 10 grams, 1 cup of wheat flour, and 2 cups of corn flour. This cake will be moderately sweet, but if you like it sweeter, add sugar to your taste. Gently mix with a spoon first. Then use a mixer to break up all the lumps. Cut 200 grams of chocolate cheese into slices, then cubes. After baking, it will melt and give the pie a lovely chocolatey hue. Dust the cubes lightly with flour so they don't stick together. The cheese is heavy, so it will naturally sink to the bottom while baking. You'll notice small bubbles forming in the batter. Stir gently. Now you'll have to be careful not to eat all the chocolate cheese. Line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper and pour in the batter. Sprinkle some shredded coconut on top for a lovely aroma. Bake for about 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Before cutting, let the cake cool completely. And of course, cook with joy. And make your loved ones happy with delicious homemade cakes. The aroma is amazing. It fills the whole house. The pie turned out incredibly soft and airy, with a light yogurt aroma and melted pieces of chocolate cheese at the bottom. To see more of my recipes, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for your likes and kind comments. Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful day.